HVMS are specialist power engineering contractors providing complete and cost-effective services to owners, users, and operators of electrical distribution systems. HVMS provide professional expertise to help design, install, operate, and maintain electrical infrastructure, which is often crucial to ensuring businesses remain operational.
HVMS has been trading since 1988. It started as a small family business, circa £2 to £3 million up until late 2004, and then it went through a management buyout. Following the management buyout, we set about an ambitious growth plan to turn the business into a power engineering contractor. We're currently carrying 150 heads with a turnover in excess of 20 million. Our main objectives are to deliver quality power engineering solutions to our key markets, users within rail, private networks and utility networks, and to ensure that by focusing on electrical distribution networks and ultimately operating and maintaining that equipment safely, it allows our customers to focus on their core activities, knowing that the distribution networks and ultimately the power is safe and reliable. Electrical distribution networks are used to deliver power to where we need it. They're pretty much everywhere we go, everything that we use, from hospitals, data centres, financial institutions and banks, airports. HVMS provide the services to help those users of those assets to operate and maintain, service, repair and replace those electrical assets that manage those networks. They're typically very safe and reliable, but ultimately when they do go wrong it can be catastrophic and potentially fatal. So the safe working systems around those assets are vitally important. There is actually a legal requirement for those users and operators of electrical networks under the Electricity at Work Act to ensure that risks are minimised and users and operators are safe from that equipment.
HVMS undertake works at all stages in the life of an electrical network, from design and installation through to commissioning, fault finding and ongoing maintenance, including 24-hour emergency response. HVMS has grown rapidly in recent years to become a leading provider of complete power distribution packages and has established a formidable reputation for the construction and maintenance of secure, reliable and cost-effective electrical networks, which is dependent on our ability to deliver expert, reliable and safe service to the highest professional standards.
We cover the entire UK, but in recent years we've probably become a little southeast centric, largely taking advantage of our growing reputation in the south, and also partly because the majority of the capital investment in electrical distribution networks has taken place in the south. That said, we've recently opened an office in York, where we can deliver all the same services to rail networks, utility networks and private networks, but do it locally from the north, beyond which we're then looking to expand into the Midlands and the Northwest with other regional offices to develop the HVMS brand across the UK. What differentiates HVMS from its competition is by and large its staff, the competency and experience of the staff, particularly with medium voltage and low voltage applications, from design through to installation and commissioning. We have a robust, safe systems of work that allows us to cover all aspects of power engineering activities. HVMS has and operates as safe working systems. We have our own distribution safety rules, we have our own authorising engineer, and it's there that we can come in and help these end users or operators and users of distribution networks to safely manage their distribution networks.
HVMS is able to safely deliver quality power engineering solutions by directly employing key staff, such including senior authorised persons, commissioning engineers and power engineering designers.
I think it's vital that we attract a new generation of engineers into the industry, be it apprenticeships, traineeships, internments, We're seeing in some cases with the distribution network operators 90% of their operational staff are likely to retire within the next 10 years. That's a huge amount of experience that's likely to be lost within the industry. And what's vital is that we draw on some of that experience before they retire and actually can attract a new generation of engineers into the industry.